Hi, we're going to cut a pineapple up. We're doing some, a couple of different dishes here for some friends this afternoon. But we're going to cut a pineapple. This is another one of them things that everybody says is so hard to cut. Bow knife, thumb and index finger. That way, what we want to do is make sure our blade and our hand, everything with the shoulder down is in a natural line, so the tendons are all relaxed, the hand and everything's in a straight line. Now with this knife, you just saw back and forth, and it just will slide right through. So we're going to take off, or take a little bit more off there, get a little more of that bottom core off of it. And we're going to decide how thick you want them. You can go up to an inch thick, but about a half inch to 5/8 is about like I like mine. Just lay them out. And then when you hit the core with this knife, the natural inclination for people is to bear down when they get to the core, especially on a pineapple. But with this knife, you don't have to bear down. You just keep an even, steady motion, and it just will slide right on through the core like it's just soft like everything else. Get one more piece out of this. Now we're going to take that pineapple, stack my stuff up here a minute. Take your pineapple, run right around the outside of it. You just want to push down and lay your knife over, and it just pops it right apart. But that's what you will do. You just run around it, and kind of when you go to spin the pineapple, you just kind of move your knife so it touches it and rolls it up, so that it keeps you in a smooth transition around the pineapple. But just saw back and forth. And it doesn't take, like I said, it doesn't take a lot of power. So you just move your knife back and forth. There again, you notice how I just kind of lay the knife over as it comes around, and use the tips of the blade to turn my pineapple in my hand. So it is really easy. Like I said, anybody that's got arthritis, carpal tunnel, tendonitis, any kind of hand problems where they can't really hold on to a knife, because of the design of our knife, people can hold on to it. See, I mean, you can literally just hold it in 2 fingers there and just move the knife and cut with it. And we are done. I got just one more there, but thank y'all very much.